And with that in mind, I invite you to join me for a few moments and get into the rhythm of right relationship. So I invite you to take a breath in, slowly let it go. And just continue to allow yourself to breathe in and exhale and soften into the space you're in right now, whether you're here sitting or you're at home or you're laying down, whatever that looks like. Allow yourself to just soften into this moment. And as you settle in, I invite you to call upon your imagination and to see yourself as an instrument of life, to see yourself as an instrument of peace. Your body, your breath, you're being used for this rhythm of life. When you just allow, the breath comes and goes. When you sit in the quiet, the peace begins to unfold. And if you can, feel into the quiet hum of your own heartbeat. And with your imagination, just notice the people that have come into your life over the years that have been a part of this rhythm of your life. The friends, the family, the community, and even those that maybe have caused you struggle at times. How that too, in the end, has led to something for yourself, has allowed you to create a rhythm in your life. Just take a moment now and see if there's a relationship in your life where you'd either like to bring more love to it, or maybe there's one where it's not quite the relationship you'd like to have, and you can sit in this now and say, what is mine to do here? How can I bring rhythm to this? And it might even be something as simple as moving on. But I invite you to trust that when you invite yourself to speak truth to you, you'll know what to do. And always bring love. Bring love to the party. It is that great harmonizer. And I invite you to affirm in your own words to yourself as we breathe together here that I am in the rhythm with divine love. I am in rhythm with divine love. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes and continue to breathe. Thank you all for being here today. Namaste.